going to show you how it's to be used, what it does exactly, and why it's different from the other cleansing devices in the market. So this is basically a palm sized, and this has the on button right in the center. You can vary the speed at which this vibrates. This basically gives out a pulse called the T-sonic pulse, which is a transdermal pulse. It helps in cleansing the skin, and that in turn reduces your blemishes, and it also helps in better absorption of skincare. Now I have used these kind of devices in the past, but they have been brush devices, and I felt like the brushes at times felt a little harsh on my skin compared to all other brushes I have tried. This is very mild because instead of a bristle, this has this really soft silicone touch point, and within the same device you get three kind of different touch points. You've got this really thin one, which is good for the dry areas of the face. Then you have this thicker one on the top and a thicker one on the back as well, which is better for oilier areas. Now this is to be used twice a day for 1 minute each, and the device kind of gives you a short break kind of a thing, but it continues vibrating, so you know when your 1 minute is over, but it doesn't stop automatically at 1 minute. You can continue to use it for longer if you want to. The device is completely waterproof. It comes with a USB charging cable, and this has a really good battery life. This lasts for about 300 uses, which is roughly 3 months if you use this twice a day. Now I have combination skin. I tend to get a lot of clogged pores, and I've definitely noticed my skin has become a lot softer and cleaner ever since I started using this. I use this generally 4 to 5 times a week. Even though it's gentle enough to be used every day, I just forget to use it sometimes, or sometimes when I'm in a hurry. So this is very gentle. Even if you have really sensitive skin, you can definitely use this. Unlike other devices in the market which have bristles, these silicone touch points don't harbor any bacteria. They're completely non-porous, they are quick drying, they don't absorb any water, and that's why they don't harbor any bacteria. So it's completely hygienic. You don't need to replace the heads or the surfaces in any manner. This device lasts you forever. No replacements, no brush head changing required. Overall, I feel like this is a pretty revolutionary device. It's very different from anything else in the market, and even though the brand is quite young, it's got quite a lot of good reviews already because it works really well. For me, the best thing is that it is really gentle on the skin, but it cleanses really effectively. My issue with brush kind of devices was generally that my skin sometimes used to get a little red after using, because the bristles didn't feel super soft on my skin, but this is very gentle, it's very soft, and you don't feel like you're doing anything harsh to your skin when you're using this. It just takes 1 minute twice a day, and you definitely notice that your skin is a lot clearer, and it helps in absorption of the products as well. So whatever serums and creams you use on top of this are going to be absorbed much better, so you'll definitely experience an overall improvement in the quality of your skin. And if you're someone who tends to break out often, who gets a lot of clogged pores, you are bound to see a difference once you start using a cleansing device like this. So that's all the good stuff. Now coming to the downside. The only downside is that this is really expensive. The medium size, which is Luna Mini 2, retails for around 13,000 in India, but it's a one-time investment because you don't need to change the brush heads, get any replacements. Once you have this product, it's going to last you forever, and it's rechargeable, it's travel friendly, so you can easily carry this as well if you are moving or traveling anywhere, and it charges by USB, so you don't have to worry about getting the right kind of plug, etc. if you are traveling around internationally. So that is my quick review of the Foreo Luna Mini. I definitely think it's worth the investment, especially for people who get very clogged skin, who have really dull skin, and who feel like they need to recharge their cleansing routine. And now I'll just show you a quick demo of how to use this and how it works on the skin. So I'm using my Just Herbs Silk Splash face wash for this. I've added a little bit of water to my skin already. Now you can use your cleanser on your skin directly, or you can put it on the Foreo, then switch it on and start moving it in short circular motions all over the face. I'm only going to avoid the area where I've got that giant pimple just to not aggravate it further, but I'm going to use this all over the face and then switch it to the other side and use that side for the oilier areas of my face. And once I am done with 1 minute of this, I am just going to splash some water on my face, and this is my cleansed skin using the Foreo Luna Mini. So that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you all soon in my next video. Bye.